Okay, this is how I look like now. On the regular, this is just how my hair looks like. Like, it's long, basic long hair. It's kind of brown, but honestly, I'm bored. I'm just bored and I want to do something with my hair. But I don't want to go out and sit like in a salon with all them germs for like an hour to dye my hair. So what I do have at home is long hair, scissors, and a black box dye. So I was thinking, maybe I just cut my hair. I just cut my hair myself. I mean, nothing wrong. I cut my dad's hair before. And cutting guys' hair is like 100 times harder than cutting girls' hair. So maybe I'll just do some trimming. By trimming, I mean like cutting. And maybe give myself like some fresh ass bangs. Okay, you can't picture it right now. You can't picture it right now. Okay, now. Just picture me just like here with bangs and black hair and not this weird ass like ombre brown kind of situation going. I mean, it's nice. It's technically it's kind of what I wanted, except that I got it about 2 years after when I dyed my hair. I'm kind of on the fence though, because okay, my friends were like, okay, like just do it. But then I haven't asked my other friends about it. But then again, I want it to be a surprise, and I also have not much content to film, so fuck it up. Yeah, so I'll probably, I mean, I'll cut it like, it's getting way too long anyways. Give me the night to decide. When I go with my friends, I'll ask them. So if a majority of them say yes, just cut it, then tomorrow we will begin the cutting. Don't mind my complexion. Everybody's beautiful. Having pimples is fine, you know, it's normal. Bye. Okay, it's been about 2 days since I filmed that last clip and I've decided to just give myself some bangs. Worst case scenario, it sucks, then I just cut it off at the root. Okay, sorry. Okay, so this is the plan of action. We're digging my hair in half to... I already tear here. There's a lot of bang. That's a lot of bang. The ones at the side, I've never worked out. It's just gonna be like a free... Okay, this is it.
As long as you know you have no side bangs.
I can put more strands to be side bangs, or this part can be the side. Okay, I'm gonna cut it now. I'm gonna cut it at my nose first. Okay, I'm gonna cut it now. What do I do with this? You hold it. You hold it. Why don't we both cut bangs?
No! Actually, my before they pretty big. I was fucking sure about it.
I feel like the deaths are too sudden.
I mean, they only have like 3 out of 10,000 to die life story, so...
Okay, now it's starting to get a bit scary. I realized like, why is it just like that and like that? What should I do for this? Comb it out, when in doubt, comb. Okay, because my natural parting, that's why there's a hole here, you know?
You have to like arrange it now. Oh, I can help you cut now.
But you have to cut it like that, like it has to be a curve.
When in doubt, comb.
Okay, you just do your best, but don't cut very long pieces, okay? Like, just make it short. Don't cut my eyelashes, come on. Don't cut my eyelashes. Nothing wrong with that, nothing wrong. I mean, it's fine. I need that too. But I think it's because my natural parting line fucks it up. Like, if I didn't have a natural parting...
I'm really hold this here for you.
Okay.
I don't think I need to cut it. I seriously don't think I need to cut it.
Okay, just do it. You know, just don't make it ugly. That's all. Don't cut my eyelashes.
I'm not actually gonna go that high.
You just straight up use the scissors to touch my eyelid. I hope you know that. Damn, that's my eyeball, you know that, right? Oh, that's good. Let's do the same for the other side. This is very awkward, like the side one.
Doesn't I feel like you should just cut it the same? I like this kind of a bit shorter.
Okay, I think... Can you cut it like that? Yeah.
Take this now, fine. I think that side's pretty big. This side's not bad, but the other side. Let's see.
Wait. Yeah, you're right. It needs to be a bit shorter. Can you do it like that?
I'm coming now.
Oh. I just blew dry my hair, but I don't know, man. I think... Okay, let me put some makeup on. Oh, no. Oh. Kind of butchered there. Honestly, there's nothing wrong with it. It looks like bangs. Okay, you can't blame my middle part. This is what bangs are supposed to look like. Okay, I know what you're thinking. Can you thin this part out? The answer is no, I tried. Okay, like that. Like, it looks like bangs, right? Like, so kind of cute. Like, But I don't suit that look. You know, it's like, I might not be a baddie, but I'm definitely not a cutie. Okay, but it's not that bad. It looks fine. I mean, and this is the first time you met me. You might think it's pretty good. I'm stressed. Okay. This is my final look. Family time. Shit, you can't see my arm, but my arm is wrapped around. Dots. What's up, bitches? Just a day 2 check-in. Right now it's a bit wonky because my middle part kind of splits the bangs in half. But this morning when I blow dried it, it was like perfectly fine. So because now it's like literally like 10:30 p.m. I'm not really expecting much of it. I think the hair is nice. I still think it's cute. Maybe just not for me. I don't know how I feel about it. Tomorrow I start my part-time job at this like sports coaching place. By the way, my hair's not short, it's still long as hell. Maybe it's just time for me to reinvent my personality. Because I'm doing like a sports coaching thing, I have to pin my hair up definitely. But we'll just see how it goes. Oh no. Okay, we'll just see how it goes. Bye! Okay, so this is the look. I'm wearing this blue cloud top and white shorts. This is just gonna have to do. Okay, so I kind of finished taking the photos already. Let me just pop it back for the full effect. In case you missed her, she's back. So personally, my favorite is, I think 018 just looks more natural. Like you can see my lashes here, look. And it's not really that bad, right? Like it doesn't look super weird or anything. I'm gonna film some TikToks now with this look on. Okay, so I probably had bangs for about 2 weeks already. As you can see, it's like growing into my eye and it's kind of like, it's too long, so I have to trim it again. But I don't know if I want to keep it or just let it like grow out, like just to become like part of like my baby hair almost. The problem is that my center part is damn strong, so you see like that, it will split naturally in the center and I don't know what to do about it because I was trying to take some pictures on Instagram and even though I blow dried my hair, it was just like that or like that. And it was just terrible, like straight up terrible. I wouldn't want to walk out in public, kind of terrible. And see, it'll always do this, like, look at this, it's so fucking annoying. Actually, like, I don't regret cutting it because I feel like it's something that I should try. The idea was already in my head, so if I didn't do it, it would just, it's like always at the back of my mind, like, oh, I should cut bangs, I should cut bangs. So now that like I actually cut, at least I know how I look like. And honestly, I quite like it. But anyways, guys, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this new change. Anyways, my second year of uni is going to start soon, so I'm gonna do like a uni glow up kind of thing. I think I might have glowed down with these bangs, but you never know. Thanks for watching my video and I'll see you next week.
Peace up, A-Town down.